can see, we are cleaning up the property today. There's some leftover logs that I was not able to cut with a chainsaw. Stuff has been laying around for 10, 12, 15 years. Just cleaning it up, taking you along. Picked up another log, the recording stopped. We're headed back to the other side of the lake. Dump these logs that have been laying around. This is what we got so far. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 big, huge logs out here. We probably got 4 or 5 more, and we'll keep you updated. This is the biggest of all of them. Yeah, it's pretty big. As you can see, the last trip I dropped the log out of the bucket, so I had to go get this little LS. I'm gonna scrape this up. This black plastic here, it's landscape fabric. So the people that just built this bridge last December finished it up this spring. They had silt fence all along the fence line here. They had it down across the creek over here. And they had it by the creek back over here. So they come this morning and took out all the T-posts, and I asked them if I could keep the fabric. It's like, I don't know, 3 foot wide or so. That's going in the garden for sure. Yeah, so it's just your typical, I don't know, landscape fabric, if you call it that. About 2.5, 3 feet wide. There's a bunch of them. We got a bunch more that we took out of another field. They let us keep the T-post and all of it for taking it out for them. So, bonuses all around. Heading back up to the house, or up by the house. Gonna finish up, drop this plastic off, and get on the backhoe and finish up what we've got started. I've been working on this project for about a month now. There was probably 30 or 40 logs that's been laying there for, I don't know, 10 to 15 years. So I was getting rid of them. I cut them all up into chunks and burnt. I bet you I had a fire going for, I don't know, 14, 16 days straight. It never went out. So I'm finishing that up today. Coming up to the back of the shop here. This beehive. So this is the landscape fabric that I pulled out of the other field in a pile of T-post. Yeah, so they had it in a pasture and we wanted to use the pasture. We asked them if we could get it out of there, if they just let us have the stuff, and they said go for it. So here we are. So we've been bringing these logs just to the other side of the lake, putting them up here in the woods a little bit, get them out of the way, let them continue to rot or decompose. So that's where we're at. Coming up to the last one that I have, you can see from where this stump is here all the way to here, that was all full of logs at one time. This is what's left of it. Got a little cleanup, all the bark and shavings and all that good stuff. And then hopefully next spring we can replant it. But that's where we're at now.